Hi, fourth graders. Here is what you will be doing today at home. Got a bunch of tabs open. Let's see if I can find it. Alright, here we go. So, right here on Google Classroom, I wrote what you need to do. So this is to do by Tuesday. Read 20 minutes, read the story I posted, and fill in the graphic organizer. Make sure to turn it in. So, play the green box for 20 minutes, finish your name tag on Seesaw, click the green check mark when finished. I've got the links still down here if you need to find those things. I will tell you that here is a really good way to know where your work is. And so some of you are going to read Tag on Mitt, some of you are going to read Cindy Goes to Salvador. It's not a big deal why I'm doing that. You'll see there's a due date, September 8th, and then after you've read this, you fill in the graphic organizer. So again, the directions today. If you forget, go back here and reread it, watch the video again, do what you need. Read 20 minutes, read the story I posted, and fill in the graphic organizer. Make sure to turn it in. Play Green Box for 20 minutes, finish your name tag on Seesaw. And I just realized I forgot something else too. There's some writing that you're going to do, a writing prompt. So the writing prompt will be either writing about that you were trapped in a store, what would you do, or just writing about your summer. So you will see that pop up right here once I have that done. You'll type it up on a Google Doc like we did earlier today. You can email me if you have questions at grantm@fargoschools.org, or when you click on your assignment, you can write a message to me too. So if you have questions, try contacting me either of those.